Hello dear students, welcome in our today's class. Students, till now you have completed chapter number 1, 2 and 6, right? So today we are going to start a new chapter of our mathematics, that is chapter number 3. And the chapter name is Understanding Quadrilateral. But before starting this new chapter, I would like to discuss with you all few important points. So students, listen carefully and implement it positively. Point number 1, always before starting the chapter or before starting the exercise question, always we'll do the introduction. Now introduction I'll do the exercise wise, means today we are going to start our exercise 3.1. So I'll discuss all the topics I'll cover in the introduction first, so that the exercise question you will do carefully, that the understanding of the question you will do properly, and it will be easy for you while solving the questions. Right students? So every time I'll do the introduction before the exercise questions. So you have to listen carefully. Okay students? Point number 2. Whatever homework I'll provide you, that you have to complete that day only. Please don't pending any work. If you have any doubt, you can call me that day only anytime, but you have to do your homework positively. And point number 3, after completion of every chapter, I am going to take test. As the students knowing about it, after every chapter I'll take a test of that particular chapter, so understand the chapter carefully. Okay dear students, let's start our introduction part of our exercise 3.1. Students, today we'll do the exercise 3.1. Our chapter 3, the chapter name is Understanding Quadrilateral. As the name suggests, quadrilateral. Quad means 4. A figure which is having 4 sides is come under the quadrilateral. Is called quadrilateral. For example, the square, rectangle, trapezium, rhombus, kite, they all are the example of quadrilateral, right? So students, in this chapter, in this exercise, we'll do the questions on the basis of that, and as well as some properties of the quadrilateral. Okay students, very first topic we have, student, curve. What is curve? In mathematics, what is called curve? Curve, if you're doing anything, see, this is a curve. If I'm doing this is a curve. But the condition is without lifting your pencil. Without lifting means bina uthaye. See, I am making anything I am going to make, but it is without lifting our pencil. That is called curve. Okay, and that this is only called simple curve as well. But now, what is simple curve and what is simple closed curve? So we have two types of the curve, simple curve and simple closed curve. Here the curve, we have two types. Very first, simple curve, and the second one is simple closed curve. They both are different terms. And what the meaning of simple curve, simple closed curve? Students, if you are drawing anything, okay, without lifting your pencil, plus without intersect to each other, okay, intersect means without cut to each other, means if you have started from here, it should not be go back, means in the same path you can say, or it should not be intersect with each other, then that type of figure is called simple curve. Okay, suppose I am going to make this, okay, so without lifting and without intersect, figure is called simple curve. Now simple closed curve, if you are making anything, okay, you are starting any figure, and after that, after making it, you are going at the same point, means you are ending your figure at the same point, it's joining at the same point, that is called closed curve. Close, you know, the figure which is totally closed. For example, circle, see, it is starting from here, then it is ending at the same point, and it is closed also, so it is called simple closed curve. And while making the circle, I didn't lift the pencil, right student? So what is simple curve? The curve which you are making without lifting your pencil and without intersect to each other, and closed when the figure is starting and meeting at the same point. For example, a very common example students, see carefully. I have made this. I have started from there and without lifting I have made this. What is this? Star. No? So it is closed? Yes. But it is a simple curve. We can say it is a simple curve? No. Why? Because it intersect at many points. See. So it doesn't, you can say it doesn't satisfy the condition of the simple curve, so it is not a simple curve, but it is a closed. Okay, so it is not a simple curve, so you can say it is not a simple closed curve as well. Okay students, so this is our first topic of our exercise 3.1. I hope you understood this. Students having a lot of problem in simple curve or in simple closed curve, so I hope that you got this topic, because related to that topic we'll do our questions in exercise 3.1. Now we have completed our first topic of our exercise 3.1, that is curve. Curve divided into two parts, simple curve and simple closed curve. Got students? And now coming to our second topic of the same exercise, that is polygon. And I hope that you all are familiar with this word polygon. No? Polygon, before starting the types of the polygon, let us discuss about the polygon. What is polygon? Polygon means a figure, a geometrical figure which is having more than two sides are called polygon. Poly means many and the gun means sides. So which has more than two sides are comes under the polygon, and they are having different examples. Having three sides called triangle, having four sides called quadrilateral, having five sides called pentagon. So in the same manner they are the types of the polygon. But exactly what is polygon? Got students? So under the polygon we have one topic that is called regular polygon. Regular polygon. What is regular polygon? See, as the name suggests, regular means the figure, any figure, polygons having more than two sides. Okay, so let's say I'm taking three sides, that is triangle, and triangle I'm going to take equilateral triangle. Why? Because I'm talking about regular polygon. What is regular polygon? In the polygon, if all the sides and all the angles are equal or same, that is that polygon is called regular. If it is not, then it is called irregular polygon. Okay, for example, triangle I took. Triangle having three, you can say three types: isosceles, scalar and equilateral triangle. So in regular polygon we'll deal with the equilateral triangle, because in this all the sides are same and all the angles are same, that is 60 degree. You know, sum of the triangle is 180 degrees, so each side is 60 degree. So equilateral triangle is called regular polygon. Or you can say all the polygon which is having same, you can say side or same angles. One more example. What is this? Square. In square also all sides are same and all angles are same. So what is regular polygon? Got students? Or you can say equiangular polygon also, because equiangular all the angles are same. Or you can say regular polygon. Either you can say regular polygon or equiangular polygon. The polygon will deal one more topic. Polygon, regular polygon or irregular polygon. And under the polygon one more concept is there, that is convex polygon and concave polygon. So there are two types of polygons. We have convex polygon and concave polygon. What is convex polygon, students? If you have any polygon, suppose I am going to take rectangle. You know, these are polygon having three sides, having four sides, and a geometrical figure, and comes under the polygon only. Okay, so I took two examples. These are the example of convex polygon or concave polygon. Students, What is convex polygon? Convex polygon, when we'll draw the diagonal of the polygon. Diagonal, you know students? Yes, diagonal, opposite sides when we join the with each other, that is called diagonals. So when we make the diagonal inside the polygon, that is called convex polygon. It means diagonal should be inside, and the opposite means, you can say, when the diagonal we have drawn outside the figure, that polygon is called concave polygon. How? Let's take one example. Suppose this I took this rectangle, so diagonal I have drawn inside, this is convex polygon. You can say for square or for any figure, you if you are taking and diagonals you are drawing inside the figure, that is called convex polygon. And on the contrary, concave polygon, if the diagonals present outside the polygon. For example, see, this is also polygon A, B, C, D, E and F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, having 6 sides. No? This is also a polygon. Now draw a diagonal for it. Diagonal I am drawing, see, outside the polygon. This comes under the concave polygon. Okay students, so this thing only you have to remind. Inside the polygon, diagonal should be present, that is called convex, and if the diagonals are present outside, that is called concave. And one more point you have to remind, you can say in convex polygon the angles are less than 180 degree. Any angle you can say it is less than 180 degree, but in concave polygon the angle is greater than 180 degree. Okay, so this is quite little bit difficult to remember or to remind in your mind. So the simplest thing you have to keep in your mind, that is diagonal should be inside convex, diagonal should be outside for the concave polygon. Okay students, so students, we have completed our introduction part of our exercise 3.1. so let's start the exercise question. So very first question we have classify. We have in question number 1 we have given some of the figures. Okay, so some parts are given to you. You have to tell that the given figure are simple curve, which figure is called a simple curve, which figure is called a simple closed curve, which figure is called a polygon, which figure is called convex or concave polygon. Okay, so I am going to do for these 3 parts. For rest of the 2 parts you will do by your own. Okay, so listen carefully the video, because every homework part also I will discuss over here only, and each and every equation you will solve in your notebook. The solved question which I am solving over here, and the rest of the part which I am not doing over here, that will be homework for you ultimately at the last. Okay, so in question number 1 we have 8 figures and we have to classify. So let's start the very first part, A, simple curve. Now remind all the introduction beta about simple curve. What is simple curve? To make any curve without lifting a pencil. Okay, without lifting a pencil. So see, if I am drawing this one, so I am doing like this. So without lifting, so you can say yes, first figure is called simple curve. Now coming to second also you can draw by your own. If it is possible, let's come under simple curve without lifting a pencil. Okay, that is called simple curve also. And see, it is closed, so it is as well as closed curve also. Students, whichever curve would be simple, and if it is closed from every part, means from there it is going to start, you can say from there you are going to start, so it's ending the same part, that ultimately will be the closed curve as well. Now coming to third, see here I have drawn this is a simple curve, closed curve, but if I am going to draw the outer one, so I have to lift the pencil, मुझे एक बार उठाना पड़ेगा pencil, so it will not simple curve, it is closed, but it's not simple curve, so it is not a simple closed curve as well, because for simple curve there is a condition that you are not supposed to lift the pencil. आपको पेंसिल को उठाना नहीं है, एंड सेकेंड थिंग दे शुड नॉट बी इंटरसेक्ट. ओके, इट्स कमिंग टू फोर पार्ट. इट इज yes closed curve, but it is not simple curve. Why? Because they are, yes, they are cross itself. Okay, so 5, see, I'm going to draw this without lifting a pencil. So this, it means first, second. Now fifth one is also a simple curve, and it is also a closed curve because it's a closed. Now coming to sixth, this also we can draw without lifting a pencil. It is a simple curve, and as well as it is a simple closed curve as well. Now coming to seventh one, see, I'm going to draw this one without lifting it. So it is also a simple curve. Now it is a closed, so it is simple closed curve as well. Now see this eighth part. If I am drawing it like this, so it is not going to lift. मैं इसे बिल्कुल भी उठा नहीं रही हूँ. But see student, it is going intersect at this point. So you can say it is not a simple curve as well as closed curve. Got student this concept, what is simple curve or what is simple closed curve? So likewise, what is polygon? Polygon having sides, you can say. So see, first one, it is having A, B, C, D, it is having sides. So this is polygon. This is also a polygon. So likewise, you can say if anyone is polygon, it is having side? No. Circle is a polygon? No. So it's same kind, it's kind of a circle only. Fine. It is having side? No, because from there it is a circular form. So it is also not a polygon. See, it is also not a polygon. It is also a circular form. So if you are having knowledge about the shapes, so you will better understand. Now the D and E part. What is convex and what are the concave polygon among these figures, and that you will write by your own. That will be homework for you. Okay students, will you do? And if you have any doubt, you can ask me. There is no any problem for this, but you should try for this. Okay, just listen carefully, see the question carefully, what the figure having internal diagonal and what the figure having outside the diagonal, that comes under the concave and convex polygon. Got students? So this will be the homework for you. Now coming to our next question. Now question number 2. How many diagonals does each of the following have? Diagonals, it means you have you can say polygons are given to you, and you have to find out that how many exact number of diagonals you have to find out. Okay, so let's start. A part, convex quadrilateral. Convex means the diagonal should be inside, so it means, and quadrilateral, now quadrilateral having 4 sides. So any type of figure you can take which is having 4 sides. Okay, suppose I am going to take rectangle or square or anything, so it's a convex. Quadrilateral. Convex कैसे बनेगा? When the diagonal will be inside. Yes, in this the diagonal will be inside. So it is called a convex quadrilateral. Example I took of rectangle. Okay, so it's convex quadrilateral. How many diagonals are there? 2. So number of the diagonals are present in the convex quadrilateral is 2 only. Okay, now coming to B part, regular hexagon. Okay, so hexagon, hexa means 6, gun means side, so having 6 side. Okay, that is called hexagon. So regular hexagon, all sides and all angles are same. So hexagon having 6 side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is hexagon. Okay, let's naming them. 1, A, B, C, D, E and F. Can you tell me then how many diagonals we can make for the hexagon? Diagonals always we have to draw from with the opposite side. Okay, और जो neighbors होते हैं, that will be the adjacent side. So diagonal we can't make with them. We will make with the opposite. Like AE is opposite. Yes, so we will draw the diagonal with AE, AD, AC 3. Then FB, FC, FD plus 3. Then from B, BF, BE and BD. So again 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 9. So it means in regular hexagon we can draw 9 diagonals. Okay students, and C part we have for the triangle. C part we have for the triangle. Triangle, there is not, means it is not mentioned over there that what kind of triangle it is. It is equilateral, isosceles, and which one. So it is only called triangle. So we can't draw any diagonal. So for this the diagonal would be 0 only. Okay, because it is not mentioned over there that what type of triangle it is. So for any confusion we simply say 0 only. Fine students. So you can say, see in this question we have only 3 parts and all 3 I have done, but this question also you have to solve in your notebooks. Got students? Let's moving towards our question number 3. And C part we have for the triangle. Students, for the triangle, see, we know that, see, this is a triangle. If A, B, C, if we want to draw a diagonal, there should be one, you can say yes, adjacent one, no, opposite one. See, there should be one, you can say vertices gap should be there. So in triangle, no vertices gap is there, C directly A is there, and after that no point is there. So we can't draw any diagonal for the triangle, or you will write for the triangle there would be 0 diagonal. Got student? This all parts in this question I have solved all the parts. You will solve all the question in your fair notebook as well. Okay, let's moving towards our question number 3. Question number 3. What is the sum of the angles of a convex quadrilateral? Will this property hold for the quadrilateral if it is not convex? Means if it is not convex, then it would be concave polygon. No. So question is asking, so what is the sum of the quadrilateral of convex? What is the sum? So for this one formula we have, students. This formula you have to remind because the same question will do in the question number 4. Okay. And what is that formula? The question is for the convex quadrilateral, find the total sum is equals to n minus 2 into 180 degree. This is the formula. Okay, n minus 2. N means number of sides. In quadrilateral, how many number of sides we have? 4 sides. No, 4 sides. So 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. 4 minus 2 means 2 into 180 degree. Or 180 into 2, that is 360 degree. Okay, either you can remind in your mind the sum of the quadrilateral internal, okay, that would be 360 degree. Okay, or this is the formula to taking out this value. Okay, now the second part of the equation, the same property is hold when you have not a convex polygon. It means you have a concave polygon. If yes, then you have to show also. So we don't know it is yes or no. So suppose I have taken one concave polygon. It is a concave polygon, the diagonal is outside. Okay, so this polygon I am going to divide it. See, I have divided from the middle. See, the name I am going to give A, B, C. Now this point is D. Suppose DB I have made. Now it is divided into 2 triangles. This is first triangle and this is second triangle. No students, now you know that sum of the triangle is equals to 180 degree. You know that because 60 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree. No, so you have 2 triangles. It means you can say if I write AD, triangle ADB plus triangle DBC, triangle ADB 180 degree plus triangle DBC 180 degree. So 180 plus 180, 360 degree. So what we have concluded? We have concluded yes, if we don't have convex quadrilateral, the same property holds, that is 360 degree. Got student? Very simple question. You just need the you just need to understand the basic of the question. That's it. And rest part you will feel very comfortable. Okay, so this is about our question number 3. Now coming to our question number 4. Now question number 4. Examine the table and solve the given terms. Okay, So in table students, I have not made the full table because it is mentioned in your book. So while solving the questions, you just open the book in front of you. Okay students, so you will get more. So in the table, the what is given to you exactly, figure is given to you, many figures are given to you, and the side is given to you. See, this is triangle, sides are 3, and at the last there is angle sum is given to you in your book, that I am not mentioned over here. But in the previous question, if you remember students, angle sum, I told you one formula for the angle sum. No, so what was the angle sum formula? That was the n minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay, whenever you are having any polygon, to find out the angle sum, what is the angle sum for triangle? If you write n minus 2 into 180 degree, so see n 3 minus 2 into 180 degree, and 3 minus 2 is 1 into 180 degree, and you know the triangle angle sum property is 180 degree. The sum of the all angles is equals to 180 degrees. So you will find out any polygon angle sum with the help of this formula, so that I didn't mention over here. Okay, so this is table which already given to you, and the question is asking you have to find out the value if you have 7 sides, if you have 8 sides, if you have 10 sides, and if you have n sides. You can find out with the help of this formula. So this question, this one A part I am doing over here, and the rest of the parts are homework for you. This is very simple. Say it is n means number of sides, any number of sides. So for this, what you will write? Think about it. So you will mention the answer. So for 7 means n minus 2. The angle sum is n minus 2 into 180 degree. It means if a polygon having 7 sides, which is called heptagon, we have to find out the angle sum for the heptagon. So this is the formula. So n is 7. 7 minus 2 into 180 degree. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 into 180 degree. So 18 5s are 90, and 1 0 is there. So the answer is 900 degree. It means the angle sum for the heptagon is 900 degree. Got students? So this is all about your question number 4. The rest of the part you will do by your own. This is very simple. So this is end of our question number 4. So student, that's all for today. Okay, so we have completed till question number 4 of our exercise 3.1. So what about homework? Homework, all question you have to solve in your notebook, my solved question as well as the homework question which I have mentioned you in the video itself. And more thing I want to discuss students, that if you feel any kind of difficulty in solving any question, you may free to ask me. You can contact me anytime to ask about your doubt. Okay, till then, thank you so much. Stay happy, stay home students. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.